say she be mine, mine jolly. Sweetie jolly, say she be mine jolly. Say sweetie jolly, say she be mine jolly. Sweetie jolly.
Yeah, this one it be bad. I said all of my gal them bad. Young fly with the African swag. We spend cheese, then we get it right.
Hey babies, it's your girl Money Manipulation called Hey babies, it's your girl Money Manipulation called Money Monet TV, and I'm back with another video. And today I'll be doing a lash tutorial. You probably just bought you some lashes, you probably just bought you some lash glue, and you might not know how to do not one dang on thing. So I'm gonna show you, sis. I have on 25 links. It's from a company called Beyond Beauty. It's her business card. She reached out to me and she wanted me, you know what I'm saying, to do, you know, try on her lashes or whatever and see how I feel about them. So the ones I have on are called Main Event. She has over like I think 10 different styles to choose from. This is a black owned business, so go support. She also sends a thank you card. That's her sticker. Yeah, I'm trying to go fast because I know you guys want the tutorial, so you won't hear like jibber jabber. This is what the packaging comes in. Beautiful, gorgeous. That's what it comes in. You open it like this. This is what it looks like open. It comes with a little spoolie. I'm not saying it won't be clunky because that's not cute, but yeah, we love that. And she's so sweet, y'all. Hashtag support small businesses. Since we're talking about businesses, I have a business coming out very soon. If you follow my Instagram, which you should do, I'm going to talk about it more on YouTube in another video, so stay tuned. So that means, you know what I'm saying, subscribe. It's free. Who doesn't like free? Hey, make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe. You know, you might as well do it. If you're watching my video now, you know, you already done made it to probably like 5 minutes. But yeah, y'all. So I'll see you guys in the video. And yeah, go ahead and get to the tutorial. First thing that I do is I take the lash and I take some tweezers and I pull the lash off at the end. And you want to be careful so that way that you don't peel the lash off or like break the lash with the band and stuff. Now you see where the these inner corners and the outer corner is the band or whatever right here, and you see how it's like extended. We're gonna cut that because one, that's gonna be harder to put your lashes on, and it's not gonna look right. It's gonna irritate your eye and stuff. So I'm just cutting off the pieces, and you kind of want to go into like an angled direction there. So just cutting it like this, just like that. So now it's cut. We're gonna bend them so that way it can get more of a shape of an eye. And this lash band on here, y'all, is good. Like, it's a good lash band. So see how I just bent that? See how I bent that to match the eye? You just bend it like this. Just kind of shape it. And especially if you get like a new pair, like a fresh new pair, it's gonna bend. They're gonna bend easily. So I just did the other lash. So, all right, so now we're gonna go ahead and get into putting on the lashes. First thing that I do is I put some mascara on, and I have a mirror right here. So if you guys see me looking, you know, I'm looking down. So this is what I'm looking at. I have a mirror. So I hate that little shit right there. I'm gonna go ahead and put some mascara on because one thing about my lashes, you guys, is my lashes are like, my lashes are kind of my lashes are really curly, as you can see. Like, my lashes are really, really, really curly. So I have to kind of do a little bit more to put on lashes. And then I'm going to take my eyelash curler. This is optional. This is totally optional. This is for more so like, you know what I'm saying, my curly lash girls or whatever. I'm gonna flip it upside down, and I flip it this way, and I put it on my lash like this, and then squeeze it so that way it can kind of straighten out. It can straighten it out like that. So you see how it kind of, I can't see, but you see how that's the curled one and this is the more so straight one. So I did it like that. So look, as you can see, it's straightened out. So now we're going to go ahead and put the lashes on. I'm taking this glue, this eyelash glue. This is makeup on it, y'all. I'm taking this eyelash glue. A lot of people use this glue. It's from INQURIES. You can get it in any beauty supply store. This is the super stronghold eyelash adhesive. It's the clear one. This one, I suggest you use this if you're just starting out wearing lashes, because when it dries, it turns kind of like a bluish, clear, purple kind of color. And it starts off white, so that's how you know it's kind of, you know what I'm saying, tacky when it turns to blue, clearish kind of color. So I kind of suggest this glue. We're gonna go ahead and take it. I do not suggest hair glue. That will rip out your lashes. So definitely use lash glue. But we're gonna take it and I'm just gonna apply it on a lash band and brush it on a lash band like that. So I just put the lash glue on. I put the lash glue on the band like that. Look disgusting. Ew. So you kind of want to wait like 20 seconds for it to get tacky, or like, you know what I'm saying, turn the color that's supposed to turn. I don't know if you guys can see, but like you see that little section right there, it's turning blue. That's how you know it's getting dry. Oh y'all, yes, so I cut my hair. I did cut my hair. Cut it a week ago. I like it. It took me some getting used to. My video just shut off, so I'm upset. But yeah, so how y'all like it? Okay, so y'all, the lashes, the glue is probably dry now. Excuse the white thing on the side. I don't know what that is, but okay. So I'm gonna take it, and what eye is this? Is this eye? So, and you can tell which one because when it gets shorter or whatever. So we're gonna take this, and I like to take my finger and I kind of like to just sit it on there first. So what I do is I just sit my lash on like this so I can adjust the way I want it. So then I take the two ends and I kind of press down my lashes and then pull close to the waterline. Just like that. And I kind of push it towards my eye. And so now we're going to go ahead and press. I like to use my fingers. If I have my nails on, it'll kind of be a little easier. But a lot of people doesn't think it is. A lot of people don't think it is, you know what I'm saying, because you got long nails. But it actually works as like tweezers. So yeah, that's what it looks like after I press it down. And as you can see that it's pressed down nice. So yeah, we're loving that. So we're gonna do the same thing to the other eye. I started off with my hands and I kept using my hands. So it's like I never really experienced kind of using tweezers. So it's like I don't really know how to explain. I don't know how to explain it with using tweezers. Probably like it's like the same thing, you know what I'm saying, just with tweezers. Never walk out of here with messed up lashes. But I'm gonna take this just to curl this lash right here, because it's like irritating me. And you gotta do, also y'all, you gotta do what fits you. So yeah, I'm gonna take some mascara, and you can just do, you know what I'm saying, go close to your waterline and just add some mascara. So yeah, you guys, I hope that you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe. Hit that bell down below so you guys will get notified every time your girl posts a new video, because you guys won't regret it. If you came to my video to see how to put lashes on, follow my Instagram and DM me when you put lashes on, if you guys used my tutorial to put on lashes. So yeah, make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe. Hit that bell down below so you guys get notified every time your girl posts a new video, because you guys won't regret it. And yeah, bye guys.
Yeah, cause we can talk about the universe and grow one time. Plus you got a glow unlike any other I've seen.